Lori Keith, your firm Parnassus has been devoted to that idea that Brian just mentioned, that sort of being good corporate citizens actually drives excellent or perhaps superior financial results. Your take on how this downturn in the market is affecting the turn toward cleaner energy? Is it helping or hurting, or too early to tell?
So yes, I mean we've been looking at companies that incorporate environmental social governance factors into fundamental investment portfolio strategies since 1984. So that's something that we've looked at as an opportunity, but also identify risk. And certainly coming out of this COVID, we think there's a very structural shift. We're in an era of decarbonization right now, and we think this is a multi-decade trend as companies continue to decarbonize. And we think certainly, there's going to be in this immediate environment, there may be a bit of a slowdown. Certainly, we're seeing some disruptions right now, for instance, in supply chains for solar panels. Also, in terms of implementation of those panels, right? Obviously, with everyone shelter in place right now, there will be some temporary delays, but that by no means impacts the long-term strategy. When we look at the significant risk for environmental climate change risk, we think companies, certainly at the state level, are taking very much a proactive role in pushing forward renewable standards. We're starting to see that broadly across many states, and certainly in Europe, they've really been on the forefront of this. So nothing really derails that story. And for us as investors, it's really been a source of alpha to find and invest in a collection of companies that are really best in class around managing their environmental, social, and certainly their governance factors.
And alpha being return above additional risk. Is that
Correct. That is correct. Yes.